Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the altcoin Shiba Inu. Now if you guys have not been paying attention to the chart and if you haven't seen the big bull run it has had in the past 24 hours, I will tell you you're missing out. By the way, it is forming an all-time high, and after that it seems to be in a very strong exploration period to break a 90% uptrend. Before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, do want to stay up to date with everything to do with the cryptocurrency market, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video to show everyone how strong the Shiba Inu community is. Let's go for 104 likes. If we smash that, that would be incredible. Let's get into it. So to begin with today's video, first of all, I want to talk about the 1 hour chart that the Shiba Inu is forming. If you guys remember yesterday when we actually talked about the chart, we were around this point and I said that at this point most likely there will be a small pullback because of a lot of whales deciding to sell, a lot of people panic selling, and a lot of people trying to make up their mind in terms of what is going to happen to Shiba Inu in the near future. And what happened exactly after that? We got a small pullback. Now keep in mind, as I mentioned, the channel seems to be still in a very strong uptrend, and just overall the whole trend that it is forming, you guys can see we are just getting a higher high, and then if you even look at the lower low, you can see it is much higher than the last lower low. So overall you guys need to understand that we are still in an uptrend, but this pullback was actually very important. At this point, if you ask me, what I personally feel like is we're going to stick around the 40 cent mark, which is 0.00040. We're going to stick around this point for a couple of days, I'd say 1 to 2 days, and that will be the consolidation period, which will be a good point for the cool down time. As I mentioned yesterday, you guys can see the RSI was much higher than the high, and we needed it to come back into the mid so we can actually start going off again. And you can see just the small pullback which brought us close to 39 and 40 was able to completely redirect the RSI, and now we are able to make a big run up again. If you guys do not know, the big factor behind this pullback was a whale deciding to sell, and a second reason is Elon decided to take care of all the rumors which were like, Elon, do you own any Shiba Inu? And he actually responded on Twitter by saying, no, I do not own any Shiba Inu. So a lot of people decided to sell at that point, and that caused this red spike. So this one was caused by the whales, but this one was caused by Elon, and he also talked a lot about Dogecoin. If you guys haven't seen the last video I uploaded, I highly recommend you go check it out. But you can see from the channel that it is forming a very big momentum spike. So overall at this point we just need to understand staying in the consolidation period and staying above the last all-time high, which will be used as a support, will help us to actually get an extreme bull run and even get another double. I'm talking we might actually delete a zero in the next week or so. Like, I am not kidding, by the end of this month we might actually delete a zero, which means we might be getting a very high, and a lot of you guys will be making a lot of profit. Just keep in mind that at this point there might be a small pullback again, which I mentioned, this pullback, and then if there is not a consolidation period we might actually go down to 36, and then Robinhood making some sort of announcement could be the big bull run that we are waiting for. But keep in mind, do not get scared if there is another pullback. As I always say, if you do not know what to do, the best thing to do is put your phone away and decide later, because if you decide to make a decision like, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and sell, it's probably going to be bad because it's a panic sell. If you're taking profit, it's completely a different thing, but panic selling is not the best option. Overall, the chart seems to be in a very good condition, and at this point it's just a wait and watch type of situation, because the chart seems to be giving us a really good indication that a very strong bull run for Shiba Inu is coming in very strong. And another thing that I do want to mention is if we decide to look at the 4 hour chart, you can see in the 4 hour chart it was pretty crazy green bull run that actually occurred and took us all the way to the all-time high. But those two reds, you can see they have already been recovered in this hour, and that recovery happened very quickly, showing that the buy orders are coming in very strong. And if Shiba Inu keeps on going at this rate, it's gonna go crazy. If you guys have not checked the last 24 hours, you might not know, but the trading volume for Shiba Inu was actually more than Ethereum. The trading volume was close to 11 billion just in the past 24 hours. That is insane. Now, talking about this article that was actually posted by Bloomberg, it's very interesting. Shiba Inu crypto falls from record after Musk damps speculation. As I just mentioned, the speculation was that Elon does own Shiba Inu, and he decided to say, nope, I do not own any Shiba Inu, and it caused the small spike down because a lot of whales got scared. And you guys know, whenever there is a news, a lot of people decide to sell, and that is the spike down. But the recovery happened so quickly. We should be actually happy that Shiba Inu is holding on to the price a lot more compared to a lot of big people were saying. The Bitcoin holders, they were like, hey, Shiba Inu, once it crashes, that's it, it's gone. But you can see it is holding on to the price very strong. Dogecoin has climbed also 10% in the past 24 hours. Now, talking about another very interesting thing which I just mentioned is Shiba Inu surpasses Ethereum by trading volume amid explosive rally. Trading volume, you guys can see, is a very big impact. So if we look at the trading volume for Shiba Inu, it's close to 14 billion, which is nearly the same as its market cap. And on the other hand, Ethereum is also close to 14 billion. Now, another thing you guys need to understand is if there is a high trading volume, it's really good because it helps the transactions happen faster, and most likely it will help the token actually have some burns in the start of the day. And overall, the transactions just help more and more tokens to be recognized. So Shiba Inu is doing crazy numbers, and seeing it beat Ethereum in the trading volume, that is just insane. Notably, it has surpassed Ethereum, which has recorded 14.3 billion worth of trading volume over the past 24 hours. At the time of writing, Shiba Inu is the third most traded cryptocurrency overall, behind Tether and Bitcoin. Now, USDT doesn't really count, as I always say, it's just a token that is based on US dollar. It's not really a currency. So it's the second most traded cryptocurrency in the world in the past 24 hours. Now, another very interesting thing is 900 million Shiba Inu tokens were burned today. Now, that's really good. You guys know, whenever the supply is decreased, because the demand is still the same, it helps the price grow. And 900 million, that's close to 20,000 US dollars worth of crypto, which is Shiba Inu tokens being burnt, which is really good, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are happy to hear that. Now, the final thing is the price prediction. At the moment, the price prediction seems to be looking pretty good. Shiba Inu breaks the resistance, and Shiba enters a 90% bull rally. So as I mentioned, after we broke that all-time high, now it is just going to be an exploration zone. Because we had a small pullback due to Elon and a lot of other things, yes, it is not good, but keep in mind that this actually got rid of so many people that did not actually believe in the token. And at the moment, when we actually made a recovery very quickly, it just shows that the people who actually believe in the token are sticking through and are going to make a lot of profit. But other than that, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. I'm out. Peace.